It's all coming together and looking great. Now it's time to apply some stain to the countertop. Well, about that. You want to hear a funny story? Sure you do. You're a smart person with a will of your own. About 6 months ago, I acquired half a can of Czar brand wood stain from my brother, which he had left over from a project of his. It had just the right tone of old mahogany, not too red and not too brown. I was really happy with it. I used what was left in the can at the time and thought nothing more of it, but I did make sure to save the can, because I knew that I would forget the name of the tone by the time I would need to buy more. Fast forward 6 months and the can, well, it must have gotten thrown out or entered a parallel dimension. That doesn't make sense. If the dimension's parallel, wouldn't the can be right next to me in arm's reach? Well, anyway, I drove 40 minutes to the hardware store and found myself looking at 5 different tones of mahogany stain. Luckily, I had in my pocket a sample piece of wood, leaving nothing to chance. I drove the 40 minutes home and got to work. I started applying the stain and quickly realized that, nope! No, this was the wrong one. Oh well, no worries. I'll get the right one next time. A couple of days later, I drove back and bought the other tone that was the closest to my sample. And went home and, nope! Okay, now this is getting stupid. I didn't want to do the drive again, so I ordered the third option off of Amazon. Finally, I had the right tone of stain and I could... Nope! I had an epiphany, and I realized that if I set fire to the boat, then all of my troubles would... No. The happy conclusion of this tragedy was that blending these three tones in a jar got me exactly where I wanted to be. And as a bonus, now I have more than enough to last me throughout the whole project. Last but not least, I gave it a couple of coats of varnish, and oh yeah, I painted the face frame white off camera. I've also started playing around with the placement of the throttle lever, but more on that later on. That's all for now, so thanks for watching, hope to see you soon. Make sure to follow the progress of Albatross. There's a playlist with all the build videos in order. I also make videos about other stuff I find interesting. Till next time, have a good day.